Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add taxes to a bill, right? So this is very easy thing to do, but first of all I will show you the step-by-step guide to applying taxes to a bill. The very first thing is understand tax requirement, right? That is very important because determine the applicable tax rate for the goods or service you are billing for. Tax rate can be based on location and the type of goods or service. If you don't understand, location means state, country or city. Then the second thing is tax exemption. Be aware of any exemption or special rule that may apply to certain transaction. List items. Create a detailed list of the goods or service provided in the bill. Each item should be clearly described to ensure accurate tax calculation. Calculate the subtotal of all items before taxes are applied. This is a total amount owed for the goods or service before tax. Now the very first thing is that first of all you have to calculate taxes. Multiply the subtotal by the applicable tax return to determine the amount of taxes owed by each type of tax. For example, sales tax or VAT. Include the tax in total. Then you have to clearly itemize the subtotal tax amount and total on the bill. Provide a breakdown that show customers exactly how taxes are applied. Now the last thing is that you have to understand the state tax information. So ensure the bill included all required tax information such as a tax identified number, that is a VAT number, and any legal disclosure mandated by the tax law. Issue the bill. Record keeping documentation is very important. Stay current. Regularly review tax return and regulation to ensure your billing practices remain compliant with any change in tax, right? If you're facing any confusion or if you don't know, I will advise you to have a tax professional who will do all this stuff for you. By following these steps, you can effectively apply taxes to a bill, ensure transparency and compliance with that tax regulation while accurately reflecting the total amount owned by your customers. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.